How to download Fortnite on your mobile phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to download Fortnite on your mobile device. Let's just get started. First thing first, you need to go ahead and have the Epic Games stores installed on your phone. You can easily get this on their official website, so go over to stores.epicgames.com and download the APK file for this. Once you have installed Epic Games Stores, you should open it up, but let me first show you guys that Fortnite is not available on Play Store or App Store. If you search for it, there is no result for Fortnite. Alright, so once you have done that, go ahead and open up Epic Games Store and tap on Get Started. Make sure to log into your account from here. So let me just quickly log into my account. It's going to send you a verification code on your email. You just have to enter your verification code. Now, once you have done that, you can just tap on continue. And go ahead and tap on yes, continue. And you should be good to go. So I'll just confirm. All you have to do now is find the profile icon at the top right, and on the search icon, tap the search icon to search for Fortnite. Then you can find the download button right here. Just tap on it, tap on allow, and you should be able to download Fortnite on your device. Wait for the download to be complete and it will be available on your mobile phone. That's pretty much it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.